Hi, welcome back. And in this video, we're going to write our first Terraform file to launch an EC2 instance, which will be configured to be Ubuntu, and we're going to configure the availability zone and the instance type, and even the key pairs and the security groups to control the traffic in and out of it. Okay, so first thing is make a directory. Let's call it first TF CD first TF, and then come to our editor. Okay, come to our editor. Select folder. Okay, so in here is where we're going to create our first Terraform file. Okay, so we have to first start off uh, defining the provider that we're going to be launching this instance on. Since Terraform is compatible with a lot of cloud services, we have to name this one as AWS. So AWS. Okay, and the region equals yes east 2. Resource is an AWS instance, which is the alias in Terraform for EC2. We're going to call it first TF. And the AMI is going to be the easy way to find out the AMI is by opening up your EC2 dashboard. Going to EC2. Go into your EC2 instances. Launch instance. And then find your Amazon machine image from the list. Select Ubuntu. and then get your AMI ID there at the bottom. And then our instance type is going to be T2 micro availability zone equals US dash east dash 2A Kenium equals first TF dot PEM EPC security group IDS equals so you can just get the security group from one we created earlier. And paste the ID of that security group in there. And then tags equals name first TF. Okay, that ought to be us. So if we save this, first TF, TF, and then we come back to get bash and we cat that out. That looks fine. And then you run Terraform init command. Okay, Terraform's been successfully initialized. So let's validate our Terraform file. No doubt there'll be one or two mistakes. Oh, okay. So, okay, so it looks like we haven't defined the security group ID correctly. Let's just take a look. I think we're missing the double quotes there. Save. And let's try this again. And it looks like we've made a couple of other mistakes. This is supposed to be tags. And there's supposed to be double quotes around the key. So, Control S. Let's try that again. Oh. And yet another mistake. We'll get there eventually. Let's try and validate that again. Okay, the configuration is now valid. And one more command we can run just to tidy things up a little is the Terraform format command. And then if we cat out we can see that it looks a little bit cleaner now. Okay, so and now we do Terraform plan, which shows you what this Terraform file is going to do to our infrastructure. Okay, and as we can see here, it plans to add one instance. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that. It's going to use this Amazon machine image, 2 macro, key name, all that stuff's defined. Okay, so we're ready to do Terraform apply now. And when I run this command, you will be able to see in this window in our EC2 dashboard, you should be able to see momentarily after I run this Terraform apply command, REC2 instance should come up here. So I'm going to run the command now. And just let it do its thing for now. Yes. We do want to perform those actions. Okay, it looks like there's been an error. And this has been caused by an invalid parameter uh, for my instance type. I've called it a T2 micro, but it's supposed to be T2 dot micro. So let's go back to our editor and fix that. Save and run this yet again. Yes. Okay, it's saying the key pair does not exist. So let's take a look. So we come back to our Terraform file and remove the .pem and run this one more time. Let's type yes, and with a bit of luck, our EC2 instance should become up and running any moment now. Terraform is doing its thing right now. This can take a little while, but in a few moments we should start to see a new EC2 instance appear right here. And there we go. Our first Terraform instance up and running. And now what we will do is we will log on to this host using our the key that we downloaded. Um, so it will be you get the IP address of your instance. and we're going to SSH on. So this should let us on. Let's try that again. Yes. Okay, and we're now logged on to our Ubuntu host that's in the cloud, totally provisioned with the click of a button using Terraform. And that's all for this video. In the next video, we're going to learn how to write an Ansible playbook that will automate what we done earlier on our local Ubuntu host, which is to download and install Apache, MySQL, PHP, and WordPress, and deploy all those applications to this instance in the cloud that we've just created using Terraform. So see you in the next video.